Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a website called Online Supermarket Management. This supermarket management is an application used to manage the categories and products, staff, and also the sales details. Coming to the website flowchart, this is the flow diagram of the website. So here the admin will log in into the website with the login credentials like email address and password. After logging into the website, the admin can add and view the staff members to the website. So after adding the staff members will log in into the website with the admin added email address and password. By using those, after performing the login operations, the staff will add and view the categories on the same page. After adding the categories, the staff will add the products and they can also view the products in the add products page only. After adding the products, the customer will register into the website with name, email address, password, address, phone number. By using all the data of the customer, they will register into the website. After registration, the customer can perform the login. So by using the registered email address, the customer will get login into the website with the email address and password. After login, the customers can view the products and select the products. After selecting the products, the customer can add and view the add those products to the cart and view the products in the view cart page. After adding the products to the cart, the customer can order those carts by clicking the order now button. After clicking the order now button, the customer can enter into the payment page. After the payment only, the customer can own the products by ordered. So order will be placed. After order placed, the staff can view the ordered history and view orders in the orders page. After viewing the orders, the staff will dispatch the orders to the customers. So by changing the status as dispatch, and these all information will be stored in the ordered history, and this ordered history will be in the changed status like dispatched. So after dispatching the order, the customer can view the orders history in the orders. So here also the status will be changed, and the customer can make the order as received. By clicking the make as received button, the customer can change the status as received. And after this, the information will be stored in the order history only. So after checking the products, the customer will request for the pages. So in this order history page only, we have two buttons. We have two buttons. Those are replace order and return order. So by clicking the return order, the order will be returned to the staff, and by clicking the replace button, that product will be replaced with another product. This request will be sent to the staff. So by clicking the replace request button, the staff can check the replaced orders request, and they accept or reject the replace request. After entering into the return request or return request page, the staff can check the returned request, and if it is valid, they'll accept the request, and if it is not valid, they'll reject the request. In this, if the staff has accepted the return request, the payment will be refunded to the customer, and this all information, payment information, will be viewed in the view payments page in the customers. So this is the flow diagram of the website. So we'll see the output here. This is the homepage of online supermarket shopping. So here I'm logging into the admin page as admin and password. Login. This is the homepage for admin. Here by clicking the add view stock, the admin will add the staff to the website. Here I'm giving the staff name. Name, staff email address, staff gender, designation, salary, password, phone number, address. Add staff. So by clicking the add staff, the staff will be added to the website and we can view the staff here. Log out and I'm logging into the staff again with the admin email address, given email address. So 15@gmail.com and password. So this is the staff homepage. Here, if they want to change the password, the staff can change the password here. So I'll change the password. New password updated. So like this, they'll change the password. And here I'm adding the categories. Like this, the admin staff can add the categories to the website. And here we can view the added categories. And after adding the categories, the staff will add the products to the website. So I'm adding the products. So grocery products. Brand. Quantity. Picture. So add product. By clicking the add product button, the product will be added to the website. So I'm adding another one. Price. Category. Brand. Double quantity. Picture. Add product. And by clicking the view products button, we can view the products which are added by the admin. If they want to edit the quantity and price, then add the product. So like this, the staff can add the products to the website. So after adding the product, the customer will get registered into the website. This is the registration form of the customer. So I'm adding the customer name, email address, phone number, and password. Register. By clicking the registration button, the customer will get registered into the website. So here I'm giving the registered email address, password, login. This is the home page for customer. Here the customer can view the products by clicking the view products button and they'll search the products with the categories. So this is a product search and all. So available 30 here. So I'm giving the 12. And by entering the quantity here, after entering the quantity, we'll add to the cart. Item added to cart. And also view cart. This is the cart. Here the cart, in this cart, we have two buttons. This is remove and order now button. So by clicking the remove button, they want to cancel the order. They can click on the remove button and cancel the order. So here the order status is in the cart. So by clicking the home delivery button, the pickup and home delivery, we have two options here. I'm clicking the home delivery and order now. By clicking the order now button, we'll reach into the payment page. So this is the amount we have paid and address, delivery address. Here I'm typing the delivery address and card number. This card number must be in 16 digits. Card number, name on the holder, CVV number, expiry date. Place order. Order will be placed. Here the status will be changed as ordered. So after placing the order, view payments. Here the customer can check their payments in the view payments page. Here we are paid 60, this page. So I'm log out as a customer and logging into the staff again. So after reaching the view orders, the staff can view the orders. Here the order status will be in ordered. And after dispatching the order, the status will be changed. I'm dispatching this order by clicking the dispatch button. So order will be dispatched. The status will be changed here. So after changing the status, the customer can view the dispatched orders and make as received. So this is the dispatch order. Here also the status will be changed. And by clicking make as received button, the status will also be changed here. So order received, the status here or received. So after receiving the order, the customers will check the orders, and if they want to replace the order, they'll click on the replace button. And by giving the quantity and reason. Replace. I will replace that as a request and I'm returning this. So by mistaken order, so I'm returning this product. Orders history. And here the payments not changed. And we'll go to the staff again. Orders history. Replace request. So replace request will be verified by the staff, and if they want, if it is valid, they'll accept it. If it is not valid, they'll reject the request. So I'm accepting here and replace the order. Return. Here the return request also verified by the staff, and if it is valid, they'll accept. If it is not valid, they'll reject the. So here the status is return request sent. After accepting the request, the return request was accepted. So this is the, like this, the staff will accept or reject the request. Again, we'll go to the customer and check the orders history. So item replaced. Here the status will be changed as item replaced and item returned. This is the, for this returned item, the amount will be refunded into the payments page. So we'll check out the payments. The 4,000 will be amount refunded for dresses. Here, like this, the customer can order the items in this website, and the staff will provide the or dispatch the orders to the customers. So this is the online supermarket or shop management system. Hope you all guys understand. Thank you.